Mastering contractions, the formal and informal divide. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're delving into an exciting topic within the realm of pronunciation and accent reduction. We're talking about contractions. Now, you might be wondering, aren't all contractions the same? Well, there's actually a difference between formal and informal contractions. So, buckle up as we explore this interesting distinction. First, let's revisit the concept of contractions. In English, contractions are short forms of words or phrases. They're created by removing certain letters and sounds, and replacing them with an apostrophe. For instance, do not becomes don't, and I will becomes I'll. Contractions make our speech and writing more efficient and conversational. However, not all contractions are created equal. They are broadly divided into formal and informal contractions, each with its own set of rules and contexts. Formal contractions are those you'll see in both written and spoken English, even in academic or professional settings. They usually involve auxiliary verbs or modals. Examples include I'm, I am, there, they are, can't, cannot, will, we will. These contractions are universally accepted and used across all registers of English. On the other hand, we have informal contractions. These are typically used in casual, everyday conversation and are often avoided in formal writing. They're sometimes called spoken or conversational contractions because they mimic natural speech patterns. Examples include gonna, going to, wanna, want to, gimme, give me, kinda, kind of. Remember, these contractions are informal and may not be appropriate for formal writing or speech. They are used to emulate colloquial speech and make English sound more natural. In English, context is king. Depending on your setting, you'll want to choose the right kind of contraction. Formal contractions are generally accepted everywhere, but if you're writing an academic paper, a professional email, or speaking in a formal setting, you might want to avoid contractions altogether. On the other hand, informal contractions are excellent tools for casual conversation. They help you sound more natural and friendly. But remember, these are not suitable for all contexts. And that wraps up our exploration of formal and informal contractions. Understanding the difference can not only improve your pronunciation and accent, but also help you become more adept at navigating different social and professional contexts in English. So remember, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Stay tuned for more interesting lessons on English language learning. See you next time.